y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're getting ready for a trip, but this video is not going to be a vacay prep vlog. Honestly, I just didn't have the bandwidth to do a whole vacay prep vlog for y'all, but everything is pretty much done except for my hair. So nails done, lashes done, brows done, everything is literally done except for my hair. But I'm at my hair appointment now, which I'll believe me if I said my appointment is today. It's at 7 o'clock, and I leave today at 11 p.m. Crazy work. I don't even like scheduling hair appointments the day before my trip, much less the day of. This is something I've never done anything like this before. But actually just came back from Seattle, Saturday, and it's now Monday, and I'm leaving for Brazil. So I had like a 2-day turnaround between 2 trips, so it's been really hectic. And I was able to get most of my other appointments done before my trip to Seattle. Hair was just the only thing that I wasn't able to get done. Yeah, so I'm a little nervous. They've been here for about like 5-6 minutes or so, but I just got a text from the stylist. She said that she overslept, so she's running a little late. But yeah, my thing is I have no idea how long the style is gonna take. So I'm gonna be doing Fulani Boho braids, like a full boho braids. That's the plan. I'll show you guys. I'll insert some inspo for like the fullness I'm going for. And I'm gonna be using hair from Ywigs. So yeah, I have 3 bundles. Oops, that's not a bundle. I have 3 bundles of their double drawn water wave 22-inch water wave hair. Hello, are you gonna focus? So I got 3 packs of this. We are going to see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I've never been to the stylist before, and boho is really like a hit or miss. I haven't seen her do like full boho, but I did ask her if she can, and she said she can. So we'll see how it goes. It comes with this bonnet, this braid bonnet, nice and long, which is super clutch because I only have one of these at home. And then it also comes with this crochet situation, like a crochet needle, clips, and a comb if you're, you know, a DIY girly and you can do these at the house. Not me. I tell you, I can't even wait till I get home to show y'all I'm at a red light. That's how hype I am right now. When I tell y'all, she understood the fucking assignment. But baby, when I tell you it's crunch time, I have to go. It is 6 o'clock. I got about an hour home, or more than an hour to get home, because I'm heading out literally during rush hour. I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for a while. My flight doesn't leave until 10:55 p.m. But yeah, I still gotta go home and shower. Thank God. Thank God I packed already. Otherwise, I would have been a hot wreck. That the stylist understood the assignment. The hair, it's literally giving, like it's giving, I don't even know. I don't even have the words. Like, it's giving mermaid. The design, it's so bad. I can't wait till I get home to show y'all, like, give y'all a closer look with good lighting and everything, like what the finished look looks like. I didn't show you guys when she was doing the ends because it was kind of sort of like, it was a little tricky. So her sister, she had her sister. Thank God her sister was there to help her, like, braid down the ends. Otherwise, this would have taken so much longer. So When she first was doing the ends, I honestly wasn't a fan. Like, I looked in the mirror, went to the bathroom. It's like she was adding the curly piece too far down, because it was just giving like this part was full and then there was like a space where it was boneless, and then it's like curls at the end. And I just wasn't a fan at all. Sometimes you're scared to ask stylists because it's like, oh shit, you know, if they're gonna catch an attitude or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But she was very receptive to whatever complaints or whatever like concerns I had. She understood what I meant and she just adjusted it, and then that was that. And now I have bundles down past my ass cheeks, and I'm about to and the thing that I was worried about how this like black was gonna look on my hair. I can't remember if I said this earlier, but in addition to the stylist understanding the assignment, she also took off $25, which I really appreciated because she was so late. I can't lie to y'all, she earned every dollar. She really did. I know we like to talk shit about how the stylists, you know, be charging an arm and a leg for these hairstyles, but I get it. I'm sitting down and I'm like, damn, this is a lot. You know, so imagine you're the one that's actually braiding, you're adding the hair. Just anybody is standing on their feet for 8 hours at a time. She didn't even stop to get breakfast. She didn't stop to eat lunch. I had 2 meals, okay? And she was just working. But anyways, y'all, let me stop yapping. I need to drive this car, get home. I was playing. Did y'all think this was a game? Did y'all think I was being dramatic? Tell me she didn't eat down. First of all, get into the details. I really don't have time to be, but like, get into the cornrows. So freaking neat. So neat. So clean. But then the bundles is giving mermaid goddess. I would have been cool with just like regular butt length, but I'm not mad at all. Look at this. And okay, she didn't dip the hair either. Wasn't sure, honestly. I was like, I don't know how it's gonna hold up, even though it is human hair. And she was saying that the quality of the hair is really good, so we might be able to just add water and mousse, and that's exactly what she did. And she sprayed like this oil thing as well. But y'all, it looks too freaking good. It's giving install with braids. Like a full, like, this is insane. It's so full, so thick. Listen, if you're looking to get a super full look that gives bundles, braids and bundles, 3 bundles of this water wave. That's it. That's all you need. Well, not all you need. That's a lot, but yeah, y'all. Anyways, I can't spend any more time admiring myself as much as I'd love to. I have to go shower, get ready so I can be out the door and headed to Brazil. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a 3-week check-in so you guys can see how well this hair is holding up. 3 weeks with these boho braids, with these Bora Bora braids. And this is what my hair looks like. Well, I know for a fact that a huge part of that is because the way that I've been maintaining my hair. So like the girls say, boho braids, Bora Bora braids, they're not low maintenance by any stretch. So this is definitely like a daily maintenance kind of thing, but it takes what, maybe like 10 minutes out of your day to maintain these curls. So me personally, I sat down for 9 hours to get this freaking hairstyle. So I'm trying to make it last as long as I possibly can. And if that means spending a little extra time on my hair, like 10 minutes a day on my hair, totally cool. So I just finished refreshing my hair. I'm gonna walk you guys through my nighttime routine, but I basically just put my hair in 2 big plaits, then put a scarf on this part of my hair to try and make the cornrows last. So the cornrows are not super fresh anymore because I've been sweating, I've been in the gym, and if I really wanted to, I could get the front redone, but it's not that serious for me personally. I'm going to the Virgin Islands, God willing. I'm going to the Virgin Islands next week Thursday, and the goal was to be able to get this hairstyle to last for both trips, for Brazil and the Virgin Islands. I'm hoping to swim in the Virgin Islands because I would have had the style in for like about a month at that point, so I'm hoping to swim with this in some capacity. We'll see how it holds up then. Anyway, so nighttime routine, putting my hair in 2 big plaits, put the 2 braids in the bonnet. That's literally it. Oh, well, before I put my hair in 2 braids, I like to separate my hair. The thing with this hairstyle or with this hair that I've noticed is that like friction is what causes the matting and the tangling, right? So my ends, probably like the easiest low maintenance part of the hairstyle, but the curls that are touching the braids, you know, they're rubbing together, causing friction, which leads to matting, which leads to a little bit of tangling. So before I go to bed, I just go in and just separate any matting, any tangling. Once you do that, you're fine. If there's tangling tonight and then you don't refresh or try and separate those tangles for like a couple days, you're cooked for sure. You're definitely gonna be cooked. And when I say detangling, it's really just like literally just separating your hair to make sure that nothing is getting stuck together. And if they are stuck together, you just separate them and that's it. So it doesn't become a knot or, you know, undetangleable, if that makes sense. So boom, that's my routine before bed. I wake up in the morning, undo the braids, and pretty much just separate the hair, fluff it out. I would say every other day I actually refresh my hair with either water, like a spray bottle and leave-in conditioner, or just water by itself. This was my first time refreshing my hair within like maybe 2 to 3 days, probably 3 days since the last time I refreshed my hair, and this is what it looks like. The last thing I'm going to say is that shedding also has been very minimal. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks and my hair still is pretty full. If I bring everything to the front, it's still very, very, very full. Very, very full. I feel like I've noticed a little more shedding now as I'm going on week 3 than I noticed like the first week or 2. And the shedding only happens when I do my morning separating and fluffing, you know. So because my hair is parted on one side, it's a little limited, but honestly, I feel like I never get tired of my hair out and down. So like, I'm cool with just wearing it like this. But my go-to styles outside of this are a messy low bun. I think that's really cute. It gives effortless baddie. And then I also like to do in a ponytail if I just don't want the hair, like, because it could be annoying, can't lie. It could be annoying having the hair on you 24/7, coming forward, some on this side. It's high, or like a high bun, but that's usually when I'm taking a shower. Last thing I'm gonna say is the only downside I would say about this hair, my only complaint, literally my only complaint, is that it does smell pretty processed. That's the only thing. So if you're putting leave-in conditioner in your hair, I would use one that's like really heavily fragranced to help mask the smell, because it just smells processed basically. But yeah, y'all, anyways, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have the hair linked in the description box. You can use my code KARA15 to save some money. Yeah, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this style. Is this your vibe? Do you plan on getting this in the future? Have you done Bora Bora braids yet? Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and I will see y'all in my next one.